Kia ora. In this video, we'll look at some of the things you need to be thinking about if you're planning on going to university after you finish Year 13. This is primarily targeted at this year's Year 12 students who are choosing subjects for Year 13 next year. In order to go on to university, you need to gain university entrance. This consists of 3 parts: Level 3, Literacy and Numeracy, and 3+ UE subjects. Let's unpack each of these parts. In order to gain Level 3, you need to gain 80 credits in total, but 20 of these can carry over from Level 2. You also need to have passed Level 1 Literacy and Level 1 Numeracy, which you needed to pass Level 1, so most of you will have this from Year 11. You almost certainly have the UE Numeracy requirement by this point, as it is the same requirement that you had to pass Level 1 and Level 2 and 3, which you probably got when you were in Year 11. To get UE Literacy, you need to gain 5 UE Reading and 5 UE Writing credits. There are lots of places you can get the reading credits, but the primary place that students get the writing credits from is the writing portfolio. You can check your progress towards this on the portal. If we look at this example, this student has 3 reading and 6 writing credits, so needs 2 more reading credits. There are also some credits that can count for either reading or writing. That is the 3rd number. Once you've gained your UE Literacy, it'll change to yes, and it will also show the year that you passed it. 3+ UE subjects is the final criteria for university entrance. You have to get 14 or more credits in 3 or more UE approved subjects. You can see information on the UE approved subjects here. And when you're choosing your courses, you can see which courses are UE approved by clicking on them on our online portal. We strongly recommend that if you're looking at getting university entrance, you take 4 university approved subjects or even 5. This means if you miss out on one of them, you've got a backup plan in place. The other thing to be thinking about is what subjects you need to be able to do to get into the courses you're thinking of taking at university. If you look at these documents here, they provide info from the universities on what subjects are recommended to go into particular courses. Many universities offer papers or bridging courses though if you don't end up with the requirements, so there are options if you change your mind later. If you have a specific course in mind, it's worth looking on the university website at that course to see what the requirements are. The last bit we're going to have a look at in this video is the Guaranteed Entry Score, or the GES. Many universities are now operating a Guaranteed Entry Score. You need to check the criteria for all the universities you're considering, as they are slightly different. GES is not necessary to get into university, but it guarantees you a place. You need to take 4 UE subjects at Level 3 to be able to gain a high GES. Note, your 20 carryover credits from Level 2 do not count for your Guaranteed Entry Score. For example, at Victoria University, the GES is currently 150 points for all undergraduate degrees, except the Bachelor of Architectural Studies and the Bachelor of Building Science, which require a GES of 180. We're now going to have a quick look at how to calculate your NCEA score. Your score will be based on your best 80 credits in university entrance approved subjects at Level 3 or higher, and weighted by the level of achievement. All Level 3 or higher approved subjects can be counted. A maximum of 24 credits in each subject can be counted. Your score will be calculated by awarding points. You get 4 points for an excellence, 3 points for a merit, and 2 points for an achieved. Let's look at an example. This student here studied English, history, statistics, geography, and French, and gained a number of excellence, merit, and achieved credits. Each excellence credit is worth 4 points, each merit is worth 3, and each achieved is worth 2. So what we've done is we've put this information all into a table and worked out the number of excellence points, the number of merit points, and the number of achieved points, and in total the student got 208 points. Hopefully that has been helpful, and if you have any questions about this, talk to your form teacher, your dean, or make an appointment to see the wonderful team up in the careers department. Ka kite anō.